Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for luxurious home decor and high-end interior design inspirations. Today, we are sharing 18 simple budget-friendly hacks to elevate your 2026 Christmas decor into a high-end masterpiece. You do not need to spend a fortune to achieve that coveted, ultra-elegant look this holiday season. Make sure to comment your favorite tip below, like this video, share it with fellow decor lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more sophisticated design guides. Swapping cheap plastic hooks for high-quality velvet ribbons instantly elevates your Christmas tree or staircase garland. Choose rich tones like burgundy, emerald, or navy to match the refined color trends of 2026. Tying long, loose bows allows the fabric to drape gracefully, creating an effortless yet expensive aesthetic. This simple textile upgrade delivers maximum visual impact for just a few dollars. Transform inexpensive faux greenery or forged branches by applying a light dusting of metallic spray paint. Shades of champagne gold and soft platinum add an instant touch of modern luxury to your holiday arrangements. Arrange these shimmering stems in a minimalist ceramic vase for a striking, designer-approved focal point. This budget-friendly DIY project brings a high-end, festive glow into any room. Grouping leftover ornaments by a single sophisticated color scheme creates a powerful, high-end visual statement. Bind several baubles together with flora wire and tuck them deeply into your wreath or garland to add rich depth. Stick to matte, glossy, and glitter textures within the same hue to keep the arrangement looking editorial and intentional. This clever technique makes standard tree decorations look like custom, expensive installations. Create an enchanting and expensive-looking dining display using simple clear glass cylinders filled with water. Submerge a few sprigs of fresh rosemary or pine before placing floating candles on top. The water beautifully magnifies the flickering candlelight, establishing a serene and highly upscale ambiance for holiday dinners. It is an incredibly affordable centerpiece option that looks like it belongs in a luxury magazine. Combine delicate fairy lights with dried floral arrangements to put a trendy, elegant spin on traditional holiday lighting. Interweave warm micro-LED strings through dried pampas grass, white hydrangeas, or bleached ferns. This combination creates an ethereal, glowing display that perfectly embodies contemporary luxury. It is a brilliant way to repurpose your autumn florals for a stunning winter aesthetic. Instantly introduce a cozy, high-end chalet vibe to your living room by layering affordable faux fur throws over your existing furniture. Drape them elegantly over the backs of chairs or across the corner of your sofa to add rich texture. Pair these textures with understated neutral pillows to maintain a sophisticated, balanced look. This simple styling trick makes your entire seating area feel instantly warmer and more luxurious. Ditch the traditional symmetrical fireplace look in favor of a modern, dramatic, asymmetric garland drape. Allow the greenery to pool heavily on one side of the floor while leaving the other side clean and minimal. This architectural approach draws the eye and makes your fireplace look custom designed. It maximizes the impact of a single garland strand, saving you money while looking incredibly fashionable. Scour local secondhand shops for mismatched brass candlesticks to create a timeless, regal holiday display. Polish them slightly while leaving some natural patina to maintain an authentic, expensive antique charm. Cluster them together on your entryway table or dining buffet with slim, tapered ivory candles. This affordable styling hack adds height, warmth, and old-world elegance to your festive decor. Hanging large, white paper star lanterns creates a dramatic and whimsical focal point without breaking your budget. Source flat-packed paper stars and illuminate them from within using affordable battery-operated LED puck lights. Suspend them at varying heights near a large window or above a dining area for an ethereal effect. The minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic brings a clean, high-end feel to your modern holiday styling. Embrace a highly sophisticated, minimalist aesthetic by choosing simple grapevine or bare twig wreaths. Accent only a small section of the frame with a delicate spray of eucalyptus, berries, and a single silk ribbon. This intentional, sparse design feels remarkably artistic and premium compared to overly crowded, store-bought wreaths. It is a beautiful, budget-friendly celebration of natural winter textures. Maximize your holiday lighting budget by strategically positioning string lights directly in front of large mirrors. The reflective surface doubles the glow, creating a dazzling, expansive atmosphere that feels immensely luxurious. Wind-warm fairy lights around the frame of a floor mirror or arrange them along a mirrored console table. This simple spatial trick floods your home with magical, high-end warmth using minimal resources. True luxury engages all the senses, so creating a beautiful and aromatic dried citrus display is a must. Slice oranges and grapefruits thinly, bake them until dry, and string them into elegant garlands or arrange them in bowls. Combine these natural elements with cinnamon sticks and star anise to infuse your home with an expensive, inviting holiday fragrance. This stunningly organic approach to decor costs next to nothing yet feels incredibly high-end. Forage for pine cones outdoors and give them a luxury upgrade by arranging them in a sleek, high-end bowl. Lightly spray them with a subtle scent oil like cedarwood or amber to enhance the sensory experience. Mix in a few metallic painted pine cones or glass baubles to add contrasting textures and a hint of glamour. This natural centerpiece looks effortlessly stylish and costs absolutely nothing to assemble. Transform your holiday gifts into active decor elements by wrapping them in a cohesive, luxurious color palette. Use high-quality matte paper in shades like forest green, charcoal, or cream, and finish them with fabric ribbons. Displaying these beautifully wrapped packages beneath your tree early in the season builds anticipation and enhances your room design. It is a dual-purpose hack that makes your holiday preparation feel like a professional styling choice. Replace standard multicolored Christmas lights with sophisticated, warm-toned Edison bulb strands. The vintage filaments cast a soft, amber glow that looks much more refined than harsh, modern LEDs. String them across an outdoor patio or drape them over an indoor exposed brick wall or mantle. This lighting shift instantly creates an upscale, intimate lounge atmosphere perfect for holiday entertaining. Upgrade your front porch styling instantly by layering a smaller festive doormat over a larger patterned rug. Choose a high-quality woven base mat in a classic plaid or stripe pattern to establish rich texture. Place a simple, elegant holiday-themed choir mat directly on top to complete the welcoming look. This clever layering technique creates an expensive, designer-curated entry sequence before guests even step inside. Create custom, high-end tree decorations by purchasing inexpensive clear glass hollow ornaments. Carefully slide tiny sprigs of real pine, boxwood, or baby's breath inside each globe. The glass catches the light beautifully while showcasing the delicate organic details nested inside. This minimalist DIY project gives your Christmas tree an incredibly unique, expensive, and botanic look. For a dramatic, upscale statement that costs nothing, arrange large bare structural branches in a heavy floor vase, secure them safely, then hang a few carefully curated, lightweight glass ornaments from the twigs. This minimalist, sculptural approach creates an eye-catching design feature that rivals high-end hotel lobby displays. We hope you enjoyed these luxurious styling hacks, so please comment your favorites, like, share, subscribe to Decorio Studio, and see you in the next video.